Hi everybody, welcome back to another edition of a MakeCode Arcade live stream. I'm Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
And today I thought it'd be cool to do something exciting and unknown. So we have, so we have a bunch of sprite effects in case you didn't know. If you open up the sprites category and you pull out this thing from the effects drawer category template, you can be like, Vivian, start effect. And there's a bunch of effects here that are very useful and make me like happy that they're like the disintegrate effect. Whenever I want something to get destroyed, it's like, oh yes, disintegrate. Or then there's like the fire effect. And then you have like a trail of fire following behind you. So today I thought we could do some custom sprite effects, because what if you want your sprite to do something that's not like being on fire or being a halo? What's halo? I don't even know all the effects. Oh, cool. So we'll do like custom ones. So there is starting code. Okay, that is posted in the chat. And basically, I just made a sprite, that's me, to move around back and forth with like left and right. But also, there's a special extension. So that's not the extension. It's this one. And this is somebody on our forum who made this tile set for us. And it looks so cool. So I thought we should put it in. Here it is in the comments. So is that everything I need to say? I'll just start making a function. Shannon and Joey, feel free to chime in on custom effects that we should do. But first I'll do teleport effect. I think it's effect with an E. And I'm going to have 3 parameters, the sprite that we're going to teleport, the new X position, and the new Y position. And my strategy on doing these custom effects is making a new sprite that goes hi-mo on top of the current sprite, and then making that new sprite be the effects, and then destroying it. Do you guys think that's a good way, or is there a better way?
Sounds reasonable to start with, yeah.
Yeah, can you describe like visually what the teleport is going to do?
Oh, yeah, okay. So I thought that if you have the sprite and you want to go from here to like here, you could just have it like change the position, but then maybe as a player, you're like, what just happened? Why did it glitch out? But if you had an effect that was like, and it had like lines coming up from it, then you'd be like, oh yes, we are going into the matrix and then teleporting to this new place. That was my thought of the effect.
That sounds great.
Okay, cool. Effects, we'll make a new kind. Maybe we can do features for effects later, but not now. Teleport effect. And before anything, let's call this function so I don't have to pay a quarter. So we're going to call teleport effect on Vivian to the right. So it's going to be Vivian's X plus math 16. And then just the Y. And then, there's one new variable. Okay. Okay, so then let's just make a new sprite with the image that's like this to make sure it's getting called. And then place it on the current sprite. No, this goes here. Joey, what's your favorite effect that we have?
I made all of them, so I don't want to play favorites. I don't want to hurt my children.
But like
the disintegrate one is pretty good.
Okay. Shannon, what's your favorite?
Maybe star field.
Ooh, I don't know what that one looks like.
That makes a bunch of stars.
Oh,
Ooh, it might be a good background here, actually, if you do a background effect. So under scene.
Scene.
Vivian, what's your favorite?
It's disintegrate. I'm sad that Joey and I have the same one, but it's
You say
awesome.
you're mad that you have the same one, or glad?
Yeah, sad.
Okay, actually, now that I'm remembering, Bubbles is pretty good too, because that one I made like a whole new thing for.
Ooh, okay. Good. I like to have an underdog, so I can push for disintegrate. Best effect. Okay, so teleport effect working fine. When we push A, there's circles that pop up. So now let's actually do the effect. So I'm going to add the animation extension. So then it's not just a circle. It can be things. Also, maybe we can have like emotes. Maybe we should be like cranky emote above your sprite's head, and then you can just call that whenever.
Yeah, I have an idea for teleport also.
Oh, what is it?
You should animate where the player is, and then at a slight delay, animate where they're going to teleport into. So like a pre-thing, and then you move them over.
Oh, that's a really good idea. Okay, cool. Let's do the pre and then the post, and then we'll destroy things. Okay, so animate, teleport effect, frames. Okay, we'll deal with this. Okay, so I thought it'd be like, you start off with, it's going to be an art heavy stream, I'm predicting. Few lines. Meh. It's really hard for it to register sometimes. Okay, copy this, and then it'll grow. And then maybe it shouldn't just go. Maybe there should be more lines and be like choo choo choo. I don't know. I've never teleported before.
It is the superpower I would pick.
Really?
The superpower, yes.
Why? Isn't there like lots of question on like whether it would hurt you or not?
Yeah, but I feel like that's like, if you assume that teleport works like perfectly, then it's the best one.
Okay.
Well, there's also, it's like, oh, super strength, but like, do you also have invulnerability? Otherwise, if you like punch something, you like break your hand and all of that.
Right. I think mine is I would like to be able to control the weather. I feel like that's like secretly very powerful. Like if you can control like winds, then you could fly and then strike lightning, be warm. Maybe that's just air control.
Did you say you could strike lightning and be warm?
Yeah, you can make a fire wherever. A very practical power.
That's true. It would make you warm for a very short amount of time, probably.
Not striking myself. Like the brush nearby. And then make rain clouds to protect myself. I don't know. Joey, what would you choose?
I'm not sure right away. Making rain cloud sounds pretty fun.
No, that's my power.
Just start copying everything.
No, I'll strike you down.
Joey, I can't believe you don't have a go-to superpower answer. This is like you have to have it ready for like when people do the like icebreaker thing or whatever.
And then you have to have the coolest one.
I just try and hide during those so I don't have to talk.
Okay, that's a pretty good effect.
I'm into this. Yeah, I think it looks great.
Yay, magical. Yeah, Shannon's the teleporting expert, so default to her judgment.
Maybe you would never be late for anything. You would never have to drive anywhere.
I don't know. Wouldn't you be like, oh yeah, I'll teleport there in 5 minutes, be fashionably late?
You would never be later than exactly intended.
That's true. That's true. I hate traffic. Okay, teleport effect. And then let's just see what that looks like. Okay, and then what else do I want? Okay, and then let's put in, can I put a pause in here? I think so. And then I'll put the sprite on the new position. And then we need to do the preamble of the sprite's new position. Okay, let's see. Pew! Okay, I'll teleport it to farther away so it looks more impressive. 30. Okay, cool. And then we gotta destroy the original effect. Where's destroy? Wait, so Joey, you hide whenever there's like icebreakers? Then how do you
I hate those.
How do you know people? I love icebreakers.
I don't know. I just don't know people.
Oh
It's easier.
goodness.
Sometimes it's mandatory though, Joey. Like if you're in like a place, like for example, I don't know, the first day of something, and everyone's like, "Oh, we're gonna go around this circle."
Yeah.
What do you do there? You gotta be like,
Just
I gotta-
struggle. Just struggle.
okay, Shannon, where do you think this preamble effect should be? Should it be like before, like after we disappear, before we show
Yeah.
up? Uh-huh.
Yeah, so that's what I was picturing. After you disappear, before you show up, there's like a small blue thing, and then we like appear in it. But
love it.
up to you also.
I totally think we should do that.
Maestro.
Teleport destination. And it's gonna be a new one, and then we gotta position it. Wait, am I the effect maestro? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Love that. Okay, so teleport destination. Maybe the only time I'll ever be able to be a maestro. Gotta take advantage of this while I can. Okay. Do you think it should be also lines, or should it be like a ball?
Ooh.
Maybe I'll make another one. Yeah, here, and I'll just erase. Maybe it should be like a flash, like choo. Okay. Maybe I'll just go. Nope. Can't deal with this. September. No. Somebody give me a new song to get stuck in my head.
Well, if we do that, then we get in trouble.
A song that's in the public domain.
Does Mary Had a Little Lamb in the public domain?
Probably.
Main song.
That's not a great song, Joey.
Do Mary Have a Little Lamb and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star have the same melody
No, Mary had it's ABCs have the same melody
as
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cause Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Ooh, that's fancy. This website has a countdown to
When things will be.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Public
When
domain.
will September be in the public domain?
Wait, not for a while because it's like 100 years.
Oh man. Will I be alive? Can you look up my average expected lifespan?
I think, well, maybe. Let's see.
Okay.
September. When did that come out?
Sometime in the 70s?
70s? That's like pretty likely. That's like medium likely. 2004? That can't be right.
It came in 2004? No way.
That
Why?
can't be right.
Can't be right.
That must be like the music video. No, 78. Perfect. That makes more sense.
Great. So 2078. I will be 8. I'll be alive by then. Okay. Is this the right timing? Cannot tell. Maybe there should be a bigger delay between the effect and then the destination. It'll be like 300 milliseconds. And then I don't know. I feel like there's something wrong with.
Can you set the sprite to be invisible at the
Oh,
end of the first part and then make it so it pops in after the second
Yeah.
animation?
I like that. At the end of the first part. So maybe here. Invisible.
I think you need a longer pause after you do your How many frames is your destination animation?
Not this one.
Oh,
5.
it is 5. Yeah. I feel like I'm not getting to see all of it.
Is it because it's overlapping with this? Should they be like sequential or a little bit overlapping? Maybe a little bit overlapping. And then we'll destroy it. Okay, wait, where did it go? It can't be over. It's too much work to make it overlapping.
You could set its lifespan to be exactly what you need, maybe.
What a good idea. Let's do that. So let's set lifespan, teleport effect, lifespan to be. Is there a way to get the number of frames in the animation? No.
Nope.
Never mind.
I think so. I mean, technically it's an image array, so you could put it in a very, but probably easier just to do the number.
Yeah. Okay, I do want this pause, but I want it to be like 450, and then I'll set the lifespan for this one too. This is great. Go away. No, go away. Do you? Nope. I can't do it. Okay, and then set sprite invisible off. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, so the camera probably should follow. So maybe I'll set the position when it comes to be the destination. And then, yeah, the camera will follow.
Visible. Nice.
That looks pretty good. Do you think we should have a line, or that could be like an indeterminately big sprite? So maybe we shouldn't do that.
Yeah, I don't think you need a line.
Okay. Cool. That's one effect down.
It wouldn't be a teleport if there was a line between them. It would just be a really fast run.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do. If we're facing left, then we'll teleport one way. Otherwise, we'll teleport the other way. Using facing left. Otherwise, we'll. Okay, cool. Facing right, teleport. Facing left, teleport. Okay, I'm happy with that. Was there other things we wanted to do? Right, the emotes. Excited about the emote. Make a function. Emote. What would you call that thing where it's like the tangles above your head?
I know what you're talking about. I don't know the word for it.
I thought it was like a partially angry confused. Like you're mad
like
that you're confused. Like
grumpy, confused.
Confuzzled?
Confuzzled. This is very important we get this right.
Here we go.
Confuzzled. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Confuzzled. And then let's do this. So basically, whenever we make a new effect, we're going to pass in the sprite, make a new sprite. No, confuzzled effect. And it's of kind effect. And then it doesn't matter what it looks like. Oh, yes. Okay, it doesn't matter. And then we're going to place this one above our current sprite. So let's drag out this block. And it's going to be the same x, but it's going to be y minus some math, minus 16. Also in chat, if you guys want to suggest effects that you want to see, drop it. I'll do it. This is basically all we're doing today. So, most of you guys have other ideas too. All right, confuzzle effect, and then we're going to animate it. And then we're also going to set the lifespan. I'm going to put that out here before I forget. Wait, yeah, I need a public domain song.
They were all
catchy.
pretty bad.
No. Why wasn't there good music 100 years ago? Okay.
I know you did drum line, Vivian. Did
I
you
did.
do any other instruments?
I played bassoon in high school, which is why I did drumline, because you can't march a bassoon in a marching band because you will die. I'm pretty sure there have been people who died because they were like marching. Because have you seen do you know what a bassoon looks like?
It's tall?
It's tall and it has like this thing called a bocal, which is like a gooseneck, and it goes into your face, and that's what you play through. That's like your mouthpiece.
Okay.
So like people who march it like will trip and get stabbed by the bocal. I'm pretty sure people have died, but maybe I just wanted people to have died, so I wanted to march from like. But yeah, I played bassoon in high school, and then I also played piano before high school and during high school.
Nice.
And for pep band, first I was playing bassoon, but then I was like, man, don't want to bring my nice bassoon into the gym. So instead, I'll play the clarinet, and I played clarinet very badly.
Okay, it looks like you can do "Take Me Out to the Ball Game," and that's like the best you might be able to get.
I feel like there might be like an exciting version of that song, but I don't know what it is. Take me out to the ball. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's see what this emote looks like. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Let's set 500. Oh, that's Y. Okay, so let's set each frame to be like 100. See what that looks like. Oh, that's too fast. Too fast. Oh, maybe this one will be for should we do this one with the lifespan or like a length? Let's do length.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll set it to the length, and we'll set loop on. And when we call it, this is like our other effects where we can be like, set sprite effect for 1 second, and then we can see it happen. Cool. That's another one. This is a lot easier than I thought it would be.
I have an idea for one if you want to do.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so this is like fall themed. So I think when you walk, you should like kick up leaves.
Cute. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's make a new function. Do you think, and then on update, we'll just like set the position of the leaves to be like wherever the position is?
You can probably like just give them a little bit of an upward velocity and have them fall into the ground and destroy on wall, maybe.
Ooh, like just make a bunch of leaves?
Yeah.
Ooh, fall leaves effect. And we'll have the sprite. And then it's going to be sprite. Okay. So maybe this should be on an on-game update.
Yeah. So if velocity Vx is not 0, then you make some leaves.
Cool. And wait, do we set Vx if we're using the controllers to control?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I didn't.
That's the only thing it does.
Cool. So if not equal to, so I guess in just here we'll have like a variable that's like fall leaves effect. Oh my goodness. Set fall leaves effect. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Where's my function? Is it gone? It's gone. Sprite. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the surprisingly effective. Okay, so logic. If we have if we have fall leaves effect, if it's true, and if we're walking not equal to 0. We need to have. Yeah, we need to have a variable. So should we make a sprite for the fall leaves and then set the data to, maybe I'll just make a new variable. Set a new variable, fall leaves effect sprite. This means we can only have one thing have a fall leaves effect. Maybe I should think of a better way to do this later, though. And then I just want to make my leaves. Maybe. Do we have fall leaves in Seattle?
Sometimes, or some places.
Oh yeah, it does get very like red here.
Yeah, the arboretum gets pretty.
Yeah, I thought my landlord told me at the beginning of the summer like we were gonna have summer until October this year, so I believed him. But now I'm starting to believe that that's not true. Maybe it should be 8 by 8. Rip. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, go away. The Shannon move. Yeah, put this here. That's fine. You can be there. Is it Take Me Out to the Show? I don't know the lyrics to this song. I don't care if we play baseball. I just want to see something. And it's useful for the whole team. They don't win. It's a shame. Yeah, I know most of the words. Okay. That's a leaf.
At least like half the words.
Yeah. That's pretty good, I feel like. And okay, so this shouldn't be my sprite. It should be fall leaves effect sprite. Vx is not equal 0. We're going to make a new leaf. We're going to set the leaf's position to be ours. Oh no, I'm sorry, I stole you. And then we're gonna do this. Shannon, do you play the instruments?
I did piano as a child, which I don't remember any of, and then I did trumpet and
What?
then
Trumpet's so cool.
I was also quite bad at trumpet, and then I tried to quit, and my band teacher was like, "Why don't you try French horn instead?" So then I did French horn, which I was also bad at, but there were only 2 of us, so I was second chair.
Amazing.
Yep.
Why were you bad at it?
Well, I never practiced.
Same.
But I also like did not have like, I don't know. I'm like not good at listening to sounds and knowing whether they're like higher or lower than other sounds.
Are you tone deaf?
Not entirely.
I already went from like, I'm not that good at like just listening to music and playing it to, are you absolutely the worst at playing music?
Well, I don't know. I feel like being able to know if things are like which one's higher.
I can do it if it's like obvious, if it's like big.
Yeah.
Like, did you do band in high school or whatever, Joey?
No. I played piano when I was a little kid, a little bit, but that was like one song that I learned. But well, the intro to one song.
Wait, what?
I learned it.
Is it in the public domain?
Let's see. I think it was like the intro to the Beethoven's Ninth Symphony thing. Like it's like the very. Yeah, that one. That's not the same thing, but it's close enough.
Okay,
is the one that's like da-da-da-dun, is that one also the Ninth Symphony?
That's 5th, right? Beethoven. Oh, I don't know. It's one of them.
I don't know anything about music. Dun 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 song.
You know what's really good? Yahoo
Beethoven's
Answers
Fifth.
is really good. Oh, nice. Yahoo Answers is really good at finding songs that you can't really figure out. People know all the songs.
How do you describe the song? Like in what?
You just have like general ideas. You're like, oh yes. Oh, yeah. I remember one time I didn't know what the song's name was. So like the music video had a kid standing in a school hallway. There were lockers, and it was kind of sad, but beautiful and inspirational. And so they figured out what song it was.
What song was it?
I can't remember.
All their hard work, Vivian.
I know. Okay, so something weird's happening here. So leaf position to be this. Oh, this is the issue.
You'll also want the destroy on walls probably, unless you just want a pile of leaves always. That might be
Ooh.
fun too. But then that might be.
These also aren't walls. I better set that to be a wall. Beethoven had some things and some symphonies. That's in the public domain. 100%, right? I feel like those classical people might want this to be a wall. Okay, interesting. It's like surprising how close in time they were. Like Picasso was not that far away from us. Oh, sprites. Okay, so.
Oh, whoa.
Amazing. So let's give it less.
Oh, we don't want it to be a ghost because we want it to hit the wall, right? And die.
But won't it be cost? Oh, if it hits the wall, then it's fine.
We don't have destroy on wall yet, do we? But so we could use that block.
Let's do it. Oh, my B. Let's drag it out. Beethoven something 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 symphonies. Beethoven something 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 symphonies. Oh, okay. Wait, okay. So do you guys? Oh, wait, let me first do this. Okay, so there was like a book of poetry that was like parodies of classic poems, but it would be about different things. And I can't figure out what that is. And I haven't posted it to Yahoo Answers yet because I thought Yahoo Answers might be dead. But if you guys know, it's like, listen, they had like a parody of Paul Revere's Right and also Jabberwocky.
Oh, man.
And it was for children.
Wait, Vivian, can you try something?
Yeah.
Can you make the leaves like a leaf kind, and then on destroyed of leaf kind, start a fire effect for like 200 milliseconds?
Yes, let's do that. That'll look like leaves, right?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Oh my god.
Or just a bunch of fire on the ground. One of the two.
Brush.
You could just destroy it with a fire effect instead of.
Don't they need to be?
Oh wait,
I guess
it's on.
you said a lifespan, but
Yeah, you're right.
200 milliseconds. Okay, let's see it. Beethoven something 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 symphonies. Beethoven. Oh yes, very fall and snow. I feel like
maybe a little bit shorter than 200.
Okay, cool.
Or I guess it's the lifespan of the fire that is the thing.
What?
Joey, do you have any effect alternatives to tune this?
Can I see the list of effects again?
Yeah.
I mean, ashes could work.
Ooh, yeah, ashes cool.
Right? That'll just pick random colors from the leaf.
Let's see what it does.
It's disintegrate without the messing with the image.
Oh, it's very aggressive ashes. Also, I feel like it shouldn't be going up as high because that's like our height. So let's give it -9. And also, I think we should do it depending on if we're facing left or right.
Ooh, yeah.
Facing left. Which way would leaves get kicked? In the direction we're going, or?
Probably where you're going, right? Because your feet are like pushing them back.
Yeah. Okay.
Or where you're coming from. Yes.
Wait.
Opposite
So-
movement.
Behind you?
Okay, behind facing left, and we wanted to go right. So 0 to 40, otherwise, other way. Bunch of effects. Beethoven. Nice.
Yeah, this is it, I think.
Cool. Maybe should we have? Okay, I don't want to spend the rest of the time drawing leaves, but I really want to make random leaves.
You can do a
Maybe
couple.
ashes will just work.
We have
Okay. Okay, I'll make some leaves.
time.
If you guys want to submit your leaves.
Oh, we have a chat message.
Oh, hello chat. What about a liquefy or freezing effect? Sticking with the upcoming weather theme. I like it. Okay, I'll do that. You guys can make leaves if you want.
Okay.
So
Wait, how big is your leaf?
8 by 8.
8 by 8. Cool.
Okay, so let's make a new effect. Freeze effect. Sprite. So I'm thinking maybe this could be like you freeze I feel like there's so many ways you can do it. You can have the sprite like shiver and be like, "Rrr," or you could have like the feet be frozen to the ground and you like disable movement for a bit. Maybe we should. Let's do that. Let's do like frozen effect. And then we can do everything. So many possibilities. New variable, freeze effect, kind effect, and it's gonna be okay. Well, actually, it should be white.
Ooh, Shannon, I was just thinking we could use that the particle effect thing that we made for your stuff, and you can tell us how to make that into rain.
Ooh, yeah.
So it can be a rainy day sometimes. We could like switch between different weathers.
But what does this mean?
Joey made a thing that was like a particle effect that is one particle. Is that what it was?
It's like the particle effect, so you can do the custom one, so that you can do like you base off of the sprite speed and stuff like that instead of.
Yeah, it was like it was like trail, but it takes the colors from the.
Oh,
sprite.
right.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. With some velocity. So then you can create like invisible sprites that are like the colors you want and like send them in whatever directions, and that sort of like generates particles.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah, you had a cool demo with it. So let me open that. Yeah. Ooh, this first one, that's what I want. Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna put this frozen effect on the feet of it, and then let's set the sprite's velocity to 0. Vx. Maybe we should do a sound effect. No, you guys can't even hear it. Maybe we'll see. Okay, I'm going to adjust my tile map. So maybe if we step on a frozen tile, then we freeze.
Ooh, yeah. That's great.
Yes. Okay, so on overlaps. Oh, wait. There's no overlaps. I have to check it in a loop, right? Okay, let's do it on a game update. Tell the bottom of Vivian is a frozen one on game update every 200 milliseconds. If this is true, then we're going to call the frozen effect. Yeah, it's very chilly here today. Is it just my place? I feel like last week is really cold, but for me, but not anybody else.
No, it's chilly for me too.
Oh, cool. Okay, and then feel like we need to deal with this. Okay, so let's set a Boolean to be like we're frozen, and then we can deal with the movement. Frozen effect on to be true. And then on game update, okay, this will be our frozen handler. If frozen effect on is true, and the sprites Vx. Okay, so if we push the controller, it'll set the Vx, but I could be like, no.
Yeah, you could just do set the controller velocity to 0.
Okay, cool. Or okay, so my idea is we got to hit the buttons 3 times, and okay, frozen effect. Let's rename this. Rename frozen effect hit. So we have to hit it like 3 times and shake back and forth and be like, "Let me out!" And then and we'll like disintegrate it as we go.
Mm-hmm.
So if frozen effect hits, then let's also decrease by -1. Okay, if sprite velocity is not 0. I'm just going to set it to be Vivian. Who cares about it being general? No time for that. If velocity is not equal to 0, we're going to set it to 0. X to 0, and we're going to set the disintegrate effect on the sprite. No, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the effect. Where is it? Here you go. Okay. And then it's going to be frozen effect, freeze effect. Start disintegrate. Okay, let's see how that looks. It's the hard knock. Okay, hold on. First, I need it to only happen once. If, no, if it's equal to, not equal to 0.
Or wait, if it is equal to 0.
If it is equal to 0. Frozen equal to 0. Da, 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 da. Do, do. Okay, so what were you saying about the controller V0? Oh, maybe I should set move with controller to V0.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
just do it inside where you're setting the hits.
Uh-huh.
You can also set move Vivian with buttons, but the velocity is just 0, 0. Or sprite, yeah, sorry.
0, 0. And then this should be like if any button is pressed, then.
Yeah, I mean, you could also just make it really slow because you can still walk. Just like you can only move like 1 pixel per second.
But you're like frozen. You gotta be like.
That's true. That's a good point. That is really frozen and not just slightly frozen that way.
Yeah, it's gonna be cold. Right. Okay. So, if any buttons frozen, maybe I should make this is greater than 0. It's greater than 0. Thanks, Tech Ahoy. I think it's great too. If else, we should destroy it. Okay, well, I'm going to have, okay. I'm going to make a new variable and it's going to tell me if we're doing the effect or not. Frozen effect on to be true. Okay. It's hard not life for us. Otherwise, we're going to set it to off. And then we're going to destroy it. Destroy it.
Is frozen effect hits the number of hits remaining?
Yeah.
Okay, and we're gonna, okay, good. Makes sense.
Let me go. Oh yeah, I need to change the move back. And then move Vivian with buttons. VX. Okay, VY. Okay, and then the issue is we keep on calling it because we're always on it. So I don't know. How should I deal with this?
You can give the little pile of Blizzard a like lifespan, maybe, and then only do it if that. Only make a new one. If
But
that doesn't.
What if it keeps capturing us because we can't? I'm just going to change the tile to the bottom. Because otherwise it will just keep capturing us, right?
Maybe.
No. How do I tell this? Do I have to get the tilemap extension?
No, it was, if you go back down, it's set the square at. Yeah, that one.
Okay, cool. And set it to be this one. And I'll just get a random one because there's only one. This isn't a stream about how to make things. It's about how to make sprites or effects. Get value at. Okay. Use this effect in a better way if you're putting it in your game. Oh yeah, this is fine. Okay, so let's see. Captured once. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, that's not working. What's wrong? Frozen effect hits. If frozen effect hits is greater than 0, we're going to change it by negative. What?
That needs to be inside the button pressed, right?
Are my loops?
The change by 1 needs to be also inside. Is any button?
Okay. I'm not thinking about why this is right. I'm just going to do it.
Well, wouldn't that have been running unconditionally then? So it would have just gone even more.
Okay. Okay, if the effect is on, if it's bigger than 0, and it is, we're going to change it by -1. You're right. That's right. Otherwise, this should be good. Let's say we've broken freeze to make sure we're doing this correctly. Vivian, say.
Can you also say the before you break free, say the number of hits left?
Ooh, yeah. Okay. Here we'll say. Okay, you can't get that one. This one. Maybe we're checking the wrong thing. I'm suspicious of that. Okay, so it seems like it's calling the effect again because...
Oh, it's calling it at the top. So you should switch the order.
Good call, Shannon. Let's do it. What?
Nope.
Wow, okay, I'll think, okay. Brain on. I'm going to start thinking. So if the effect is on, if it's why, okay, so it looks like we are hitting 0 because it says 0 sometimes. 0. Say 0. It says 0 for a hot second.
But it says 0 instead of we've broken free.
Can you go to the part where you make the effect, frozen effect? Can you change that if not frozen effect on?
Oh, yeah.
This one's happening every frame before the game update occurs.
Oh. Frozen effect on. Okay. When I was following your directions, my brain turned off again, so I'm not going to figure out why this works. Oh, yay, we've broken free.
Huh.
Okay.
The code to recreate it was always running before the code to kill it.
Why?
Because the on-game update occurs after any collisions in the frame at a certain point. And so the collisions were causing it to be remade before it could ever get checked over.
I see. Okay. Cool. Let's get rid of this text now. We don't need words.
But the collisions are inside this game update. I don't think we have any overlaps.
If we go over to, where is the frozen effect called from?
It's called from, I think it's called from inside this game update.
Oh. It's called immediately after.
I mean, it did fix it, so it does seem like that's what was happening. But
I'm gonna make this higher. It should be harder to break out of it. I'm the effects maestro. Whoa. Okay, also if we walk over it too quickly, it doesn't catch us. I'm waiting to check this faster. Okay. Nice. What time is it? Okay, we have 10 minutes. What should we do?
You should make more leaves.
Okay. Oh wait, do you guys have leaves?
I made a leaf. It's not very good though.
Okay.
I feel like your leaf is like the perfect fall leaf already. But
Let's do it. Let's bring an 8x8. Fall. Wait, Shannon, what's your favorite season again?
I think fall. Yeah.
Okay. Do you just like, what do you like about fall? Are you happy? Is this fall in your eyes?
Yeah. Getting there. I like the rain and the fog.
The fog? Wait, okay, so I was always confused when we had the smoke because I was like, oh yes, this is just fog. But then it's like, no.
Joey,
Okay.
what's your favorite season? I know Vivian's is summer.
I like summer.
Yes.
Yeah, winter's pretty good.
Oh my
Winter?
goodness.
Yeah. It's easier to add blankets than to remove heat from the atmosphere.
But then you're like bogged down by the weight of all the blankets you have to drag around.
Yeah, that's good.
No.
It's all comfy.
Oh my goodness.
What are your feelings on snow, Joey?
Oh, premium. Good stuff.
Wait, have you seen, aren't you from,
It
What?
snows here.
Yeah, there's snow here.
isn't it only recently though? Like, and it's dangerous?
I don't think it just started snowing in Washington recently.
Okay. Oh, I guess
It's
you
not
have,
like Huh?
I guess there's like mountains too.
Yeah.
Okay, what was I doing? Oh yes, this should pick me a random leaf. Yes, a Shannon. Yes, beautiful. Oh no, oh no. Okay, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to do some more emotes because I feel like I want those all the time. Make a function. Emote surprised. Maybe I should just, okay, let's format code. Maybe I should just make another function to do all the emote stuff.
Ooh, yeah. And you could pass it like the name or something.
Yeah, make function emote. Oh, but we can't pass in arrays or images.
You can pass in a string and then call the other functions from emote stuff based off of that string.
No, I was thinking then we could just copy like the structure of making the emote effect. But yeah, maybe to be able to call all the emotes, we should have what Joey said with the strings. But until then, only temporary solutions gonna make this surprise effect. And then it's gonna be, oh yeah, okay, it doesn't matter. Copy this. Yeah, I wanted to be able to like position things and animate, but no arrays. Okay, let's make these into exclamation marks. Bing. Bing. Okay. Duplicate. Shan, do you do things like differently if it's fall?
I feel like, okay, so like I'll eat ice cream in any season because ice cream is like an all season food. But I
Agreed.
do feel like there's sort of like an emotionally acceptable start date for hot chocolate for me.
Ooh, yeah.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Always good.
What?
Hot chocolate's always good.
It is always good, but you're like, I don't know. I like it. Like it being hot chocolate weather makes it better, whereas ice cream is just always perfect.
That's true because it like makes you very warm. Okay, this is too fast. Okay, and let's make another one where it's like do you have, no. No, that's not even okay.
Oh, it turns into a lollipop.
What does? The exclamation?
Mm-hmm. For a second, it was round enough that it looked like a lollipop. Oh, that's a good exclamation. Oh.
Okay, maybe I'll make one more frame. Yeah, I didn't like fall for a long time because it's like everything's dying and it's cold. But then I started appreciating it because I found there were fun things to do in fall too, like collect leaves.
You go apple picking.
Yeah,
drink cider.
I'm super excited to have warm apple cider.
Yeah.
I went to a pumpkin patch last fall and it was great.
Did you bring back pumpkins?
Yeah, and then we carved them.
Nice.
6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 700. Bing. Let's set a surprise. Let's call this function. No, let me go. Okay. Oh, that's very big. Oh no.
Very surprised.
Very surprised. True. Okay. Nothing to do at this point.
You should make it random whether you're surprised or grumpy.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool. Where is that? Beat move and press. If 50% chance. What should we do tomorrow?
Make more emotions.
Make
More emotional.
I can make emotes all day. I guess we don't know who will be here tomorrow or driving. Hard to say. Okay. Party on. Something universal. Oh, grumpy. Okay. Now the one problem is like whenever we move, it doesn't follow us.
That should be easy to fix though. Just
Yeah,
put it in a non-game update.
Yeah. Exercise for the viewer. Make these effects better. But I think I'll make one more leaf and then I'll be done. Gotta fill up the time with more leaves. Oh no. That'll be good. Yeah, I thought I'd be able to go swimming at least one more time before it was cold. But I think the window has passed. That doesn't look like a leaf. That's okay. Put this here. It's the energy of a leaf that really matters.
Fall spirit.
Yeah. Oh, I ordered that book by the author you like, Shannon, this weekend.
Wait, which book?
The one about Alaska?
Yes.
I'm very excited. Yeah. Yes. Okay, that's not a leaf. That's not a leaf either.
It was like a turkey for a second.
Oh no. Oh no. It's getting worse. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll make a leaf.
What about like a green leaf? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's still some green leaves. They're just dying.
Green leaves fall off the trees too.
Yeah. And this one's just a leaf that was partially made out of dirt.
This one looks like a
dying. Oh, nice.
leaf. Yeah. Oh, it looks like corn. It looks like dried corn. Oh no. Now you're like, why is there corn in the ground? It's harvest time. Which is another fall thing. I'm okay with this. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us on this very effect-filled stream. Let us know what other effects you'd like to see in the future, because I'll just keep on making them. But I'm Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon at Shakat on the MakeCode forums.
Thanks for watching. Bye.